y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a super sleek long ponytail. Yes, y'all. So I'm starting off with stretched hair. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it above in the cards. I'm parting my hair in 3 sections because it is easier for me to get a sleeker look when I work in sections. I'm starting with the back section first, and I'm going to use Maury's Edge Wax to slick down my hair. So I'm just applying that edge wax to the parted section of my hair, and then I'm going to go in with a rat tail comb. I'm just using the rat tail comb to evenly distribute the product throughout my hair. Once it's evenly distributed, I'm going to get my brush and slick it back, slick it back, slick it back. So y'all already know that I have to give you a mini review on the edge wax. So I definitely like that it slicked my hair back, and I love the shine. My hair looks so moisturized, so shine, and I was so in love. But I will say that at the beginning, the hold on this product was amazing. Like, it was such a strong hold. But as the hours went on, I will say that it started to kind of melt, and it gave me a really soft hold. So if you guys are looking for a product that's going to give you that nice, slick, strong hold, I wouldn't necessarily suggest this product. I would suggest to actually use a gel. Usually I use a gel to do my slick backs. I love using my Eco Styler gel, but it does make my hair very wavy. So I just wanted it to get it as straight as possible and as slick as possible. So I opted to try out the wax. But if you don't mind the wavy look, I'll definitely suggest using a gel or a stronger edge control. Y'all, my hair is looking so nice and so slick, and that shine is everything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my hair in a bun to make it easier to attach the braiding hair. So I know you guys are going to ask me where I got my earrings and also my shirt from. I purchased these items from shopshonda.com. It's a cute little African boutique on Etsy, and I just love her items. So I did speak to her, and I told her that I'll be wearing her items in my video, and she was so sweet, you guys. She actually gave me a discount code for you guys to use. So I'm going to go ahead and link her store in my description box as well as the discount code, and you guys go ahead and check her out. So I'll be using 2 packs of Epic pre-stretched hair to do my ponytail. I'm using 2 packs because I want it to be super duper long, and as you guys will see, it's going to turn out so long and so nice, which I love. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the pre-stretched hair on my head in a vertical position, and then I'm going to proceed to only ponytail the back half of the braiding hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip over the top half of the braiding hair to cover my bun. I really like this technique because it makes it look a little bit more natural and it's just easier to work with. So I'm going to take the second pack of braiding hair and I'm going to actually split this into 4 sections to feed it into my braid. And y'all know I got to tell y'all my little story time. So originally I bought some Expressions hair in 84 inches because I did not want to feed the hair in. I just wanted to braid the hair up and be done with it. But you guys, that hair tangled on me so bad. Like I legit took like an hour trying to detangle this hair before finally saying, you know what, let me just go ahead and feed the hair in. All right, y'all, so that was my little story time, but back to the tutorial. You're going to take a small piece of that braiding hair and you're going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail. Alright guys, so you're just going to start braiding the hair down. I basically just separated the hair into 3 sections and just proceeded with a cornrow type of braid. So I'm just going to plait that all the way down, and then when it starts to feel a little bit thin, that's when I'm going to start adding the extra pieces of hair. So I did add a rubber band close to the end and I left some of the hair loose because I wanted it to be, you know, curly and cute. So I'm going to go in with my Tropical Roots Moisturizing and Sculpting Foam and I'm going to add that to the ends of the hair. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take flexi rods and add it to the ends to give it a nice curly look. So I'm not doing anything fancy as far as my technique of applying the flexi rods. I'm just pretty much just rolling the hair around the flexi rod and rolling it up. As you guys can see, the braid is so long. Yes, this was the exact look that I was going for. I did dip the flexi rods in hot water off camera, and look at those curls, you guys. Super bouncy, super beautiful, and I just love it. right, guys, so this is the final look, and y'all, I am so in love with this style. It's such a simple style, but it is so beautiful, y'all. It is legit the perfect summer hairstyle, y'all. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys will actually try this hairstyle. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Also, guys, don't forget to check out my girl's store. Get you some earrings, get you a shirt, y'all. I do have a discount code for you guys. I will leave that in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.